I'm going to be playing with this for weeks. What's up everybody, this is Mike and today I have an unboxing video for you. I have a couple of packages that I need to open and I think what's inside might be interesting for you, so I decided to open them on video. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video, so let's begin. So the first package we have is this one. It's a package by DJI, so before I even open it I want to say thank you to DJI for sending me this for a test for 3 months. And I think some of you might already know what's inside, but let's just open it and see. So what we have here is the longest bubble wrap package ever. Let me just show you how long it is. I'm going to be playing with this for weeks. And there it is. It's another Rise Tello. If you're not familiar, I'm currently giving away a Rise Tello. This one right here, I bought it myself, but this one is sent from DJI for 3 months for a review and test. But for now, if you want to win a Rise Tello, I'm currently giving it away. The giveaway ends this Sunday, so you still have time to enter. I will link the giveaway video in the description and in the cards right here, so you can go ahead and join that giveaway if you want to win a free Rise Tello. But anyway, this drone here is here with me for the next 3 months, so I'll be able to continue making videos with the Rise Tello if I want to. But at the end of those 3 months, I will know whether I can keep it or not. So if I can keep it, I will definitely give it away as well. So let's continue to package number 2, and it's sent by Freewell. You can definitely see that they made it very clear that it's sent by Freewell with those labels everywhere. So I already know what's inside. I couldn't really resist and I have opened it very quickly just to see what we have. But now I will give you more details. So the first thing we see after opening that package is a compact landing pad from Freewell. Let me open that for you. Wow, it's actually made from something like a cardboard. It's quite sturdy and solid. So we have 2 sides. We have a orange one and a yellow side. So depending on your taste, you can use that. Actually, this seems like a great thing to have, so no matter what the surface is, you can always take off from basically anywhere. And I will definitely keep that in my bag. It's quite compact. You can just put it in your backpack and have it for some emergency cases when you need to take off or land from a very rough surface on the ground. So that's definitely great to have. And if you want to check this accessory out, I will put, of course, all the links in the description, so you can go ahead and buy one for yourself if you want to. Next thing we have is this box, which says DJI Mavic Air rugged carry case. So this is a carrying case for the DJI Mavic Air. It's rugged and it has some nice cutouts for your drone, for the batteries, for the remote and everything else that you might want to take with you. And Freewell has actually told me that this thing actually holds up to 220 pounds of force on it, so it will definitely be extremely solid. And in case you're traveling with your drone on a long distance trip, you want to protect your drone for sure, and this is much more solid than the case that we have from the Fly More combo. So I will definitely be using that in case I travel with my drone. And let's see what we have inside. Oh, we have some gifts inside as well. So let's just hold on for a second and see what we have here. So this is the case. It has the blue foam with cutout for the drone, the remote, your batteries. So we have 4 slots for the batteries, and we have an extra slot for any accessories, filters, anything you might want to bring. And we have another pocket here, which also has this strap for carrying that case on your shoulder if you want to. So that's definitely great. It has a lot of space, so you will be able to bring everything you want in one case. It's very rugged, very solid, and you definitely need a lot of force to apply a lot of force if you want to break it. So I'm sure I won't be able to break it myself, and it's great to have that. So once again, I will leave it in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And let's see what else we have. We seem to have a couple of gifts here. So the first thing I see is that's a gimbal guard. It's a gimbal guard made by Freewell to replace your existing one if you need to. This one seems a bit different than the original one that we have on the Mavic Air. So it will be interesting to compare if it will be better for protecting the gimbal or not. So I will keep you updated on that. And the last thing we have, but I think one of the most interesting objects from this unboxing, is the Mavic Air ND1000 filter. I really like that this thing has a special box to make it different from the regular ND filters. This one is a lot more special, and it is special because it allows you to create some really kick-ass long exposure photos. If you have seen my previous tutorial on how to create long exposure photos, I was using an ND64, which is not made for long exposure photos, but it's one of the best if you don't have this one. This one is made specifically for long exposure photos. You cannot use it for video because it's basically the darkest glass possible that you can put on top of your lens. So there you go. Once you open it, you have the Freewell filters. Actually have a lot of space around the filters, so I like that. It could have been a bit smaller, of course, but I like this. It doesn't really take so much space and it makes it special. You know, this special filter is only for long exposure photography with your drone during the daytime, so I cannot wait to test this. I am of course going to test this on a beach when we have a lot of waves and a lot of motion in the sea. So I will definitely check this filter out and give you an update on how this thing works. So stay tuned for that, and I'm really happy to have this filter since I'm a huge fan of long exposure photography during the day. So once again, if you want to check those products, I will be linking them in the description, and I want to say a huge thank you to Harry from Freewell Gear for sending me those accessories. He really is the man. So thank you so much, Harry. I really appreciate it. So that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below what are your must-have accessories for your Mavic Air, and I'll be sure to let you know how those accessories are performing in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao!